will I be able to load the game without lagging?
Chemtech?
Yep.
You want to be a chemist? Alright.
You miss Coachella?
I miss it.
You missed it. Oh, damn. You said that number 1 is Joji and then number 2 is 21 Savage? What comp are you playing?
Chemtech.
Oh, dude, you even got a chem heart, dude? You fucking... Dude, you're cracked right now. You even got a chem heart.
Yeah.
I'm just yodeling right now for the money. Ooh, what's up, bro?
Oh shit. Oh, my brain is fucking fried. I'm stuttering now. I don't like this. Let's
Let's see
see.
what happens. Oh, I'm gonna destroy him. He only has tier 1s. Dude, my Ezreal attack speed is going insane.
Okay, Trendemir. Yes.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh shit. Oh.
Oh, actually got whooped. Wait, what? How did I get whooped?
Wait, what's the mutant comp going on? Oh, I beat top frag. What's the mutant?
Who's the top fragger? Oh, he's playing mutants.
Oh my god, dude. Guess what I got?
What?
I got a Chemtech emblem. Dude, it's nine Chemtechs. Check it out. Check out my board. Holy shit, bro. It's a Chemtech board. Hey, bro, I know the title of my video. Actually, I don't know my title yet. Playing TFT. Wait, no, wait. Shit. I'll think about it. Jesus Christ. Fuck.
Quit hacking, bro.
Wait, am I gonna win this? I don't know if Oh shit. Oh, let's go. Ooh. Yes. Get the fuck out of here.
Let's see what my mutant... Oh, it's the fucking stat. It's the worst mutant thing, whatever.
Oh my god. This is so bad. Oof. Alright. Now we just need a... Oh!
Right, team.
Get the fuck out of here.
Let's see if I can win against Top Fragger. Top Fragger. See if I can win against Top Fragger. Actually, no, I'm gonna get my ass whooped. Wait, I gotta fucking roll down. I'm like dying. I gotta roll the fuck down, bro.
Oh, I beat you. I didn't know I was fighting you. Fat fucking first. Fuck it, I'm gonna roll down. Here. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Boom! 9 Chemtechs. Check out my board. Dude, I'm just too good.
Yeah. Stop cheating, bro. Play the game legitimately.
Sorry, my bad, man.
Why? Oh, you didn't do so much damage, dog.
My bad, man. I didn't mean to use hacks like that. Oh my god. I'm too good.
Another Chemtech one?
I got another Chemtech augment, but I think it's dog shit, so I might just get cybernetic shell.
That's on you, bro.
It'd be really sad, but I'm not gonna lose this one. I'm gonna get a first. Man, people are missing out. Hey, if y'all like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Twitch. Yeah. Dude, this
Bro,
is
I only got straight garbage. Do I even have any tier 3s?
Dude, how am I even winning? I shouldn't even have this disgusting comp. Dude, I shouldn't even have this board. What the fuck is going on? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, dude. I love this game. Get the fuck out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, am I gonna gonna win this? Oh shit, dude. He has an Aurelia. It's full items. Dude, look at this Aurelia. Dude, I lost. I lost. I
You
lost.
actually won.
Dude, check this
You
guy
got
out.
fucking shit on?
Dude, look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Wait, you actually got fucking dog shit on, dude.
Dude, the guy in second place, he took my my win streak.
You got
He has full items with 2-star Aurelia, and it fucked me over. Wow, he fucking. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Let's go. Titans. Let's give a.
Come on.
Oh, sorry, man.
fucking Trinity, dude? Oh no.
Yeah, my bad, man.
Okay, I'm rolling down, you bitch. It's over. You're lucky I put my item on late.
Alright, whatever you say, man.
I would have fucked you.
Oh, wait. Oh my god. Is this guy, okay, he's not. Whatever. Just put this on there. Alright. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Here, give him this. Alright. It's 5-2, so we have items. Here. Oh shit. I don't know if that's the right thing. Alright, how's this? I don't know how this item's gonna go. Oh, what the fuck?
I have to win this, otherwise I lose. Come on.
Yeah, man, just hope you win this.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Oh fuck, dude, he's so strong, bro. What? Did I actually lose?
This is for the.
That'd be so
Oh, it's 8
pissed. Oh,
seconds.
actually, fucking lost. Jesus. I got a fucking good last place, dude. Oh, dude, I got the shittiest items. The shittiest.
Oh, I died.
ones as well.
Oh my god, I died.
Oh, this guy's tier 3 Lucian, bro. Really? The fuck? Are you fucking serious, man? Your 3 cost units. My 3 cost units. I don't have any 3 cost units.
I'm kind of worried. You can still spectate me if you want. How did I have
I've got the worst fucking logins this entire game. The worst.
I gotta scout this well, actually. Oh, nice. Alright, it's fine, it's fine. Get the fuck out of here. Stay 7th. Okay. Get them out of the way. Oh my god. What the fuck? Dude, I'm stun locked. Dude, I'm actually stun locked. Okay. Nice job, get locked. How's he going to do? Oh my god, he's on a 5-win streak.
He's online now. Oh, I'm waiting for her to get online. Not even somebody.
Wait. Is that who I think is online? Oh, let's go. Oh, I'm winning. I'm still winning. Let's go. Get the fuck out of here.
So easy.
Let's fucking go.
I'm mad at you.
You were mad?
It's over.
No.
Oh, this is definitely gonna be a YouTuber. I'll mute them for content. It's okay. What really matters right now? Look at that. Oh my god. It's okay. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. It don't matter. It don't matter. No, you're not getting away. Oh, bro, I'm winning this so hard right now. Wait, am I winning? Dude, I think this, wait, am I winning? Hold on, I don't know if I'm winning this. I actually don't know if I'm winning. Wait, dude, I'm not winning this. What? Huh? Wait, dude. This guy's gnar is too gnarly. Okay, I need to do something about him. We need another challenger emblem like this one right here. That could work. I could work. I'll give him a little more attack speed. You dumb bitch! Fucking. Actually, here, let's do this. You give this to Victor. God, this will be one annoying game. Alright, and then put this on him. If I can get Victor 2, it'll be a GG. Okay, I'm not getting Victor 2. It doesn't look like a GG right now. I just gotta do something about this. What's that first to worry about? Alright. That should be okay. I should be fine with that. Here. One of my favorite streamers is hopping on. Alright, that should be a good switch. Oh, okay. That should help. Alright, he stands right there. Knocks back for a little bit. Okay. Nope, never mind. My guy's dying. Dying a lot. Oh, okay. Oh my god, dude. He's taking too much damage. Oh my god, he took... Dude, this guy is... Huh? I'm losing. I shouldn't even be losing. How am I losing so hard right now? Oh, it's a Hodge without my Tryndamere. If I get Victor 2, it'll be GG. If I can't get Victor 2, then it'll yeah. Let me just oh, what the heck. Come on, drop me a Victor, drop me. Give me something good. Fucking hell. Screen's getting a little darker. Alright. Oh, did I?
He's got Tryndamere.
Oh, I didn't. Okay, hold on. I left you on mute for a bit. Dude, my team is so good, but this guy's stupid fucking Yordle comp. It's too broken.
Watch. As soon as he double Veigar ults you, your whole team dies. Watch.
Oh, I didn't even know about the Veigar ult. Oh god.
Your whole team dies.
No, this dude's Gnar is just so stupid broken. That's such a bullshit item to have on it. And see, look at that. It's just like, see, what the fuck is this? See, look at that. He's spinning around. My Trinimer's still alive.
Look, I told you your whole team's gonna die, dude. I told you as soon as Vega ults, your whole team dies.
No, see, look at this. It's not even the Veigar that's the issue. It's this Gnar. See, look at that. It did 8,000 damage.
Why? Because it's infinity? Oh, because he's double crit items? He's double crit. He has crit gauntlet, huh?
He has a,
Right?
yeah, it has this. He has these two. So he's doing like,
Wait, who's doing the most damage on his team? Is it Vex or is it Gnar?
it's the Gnar. It's top damage. I mean, if he can get Veigar 3, then it's over for me, but I don't know how I'm losing. I shouldn't be losing.
You're getting shit on you.
I know.
9 Chemtech dog shit.
I know, it's still so dog shit now. Like, look at this. Come on. I hate
Watch the Vega ult. Watch the Vega ult. Alright, Vega ult, double Vega, your whole team dead.
Oh my god, your team is stuck.
Your whole team is dead now. Your whole team is dead now. Your whole team's dead.
Like, it's not even like,
Yeah.
but okay, yeah, my team's dead, and it's just like my fucking, my
Your tournament has to 1v9 in order for you to win.
yeah,
You
but
know
he
what?
can't
It's
because this
impossible.
dude, okay, the Veigars fuck my team over, and then for the 1v1 situations, the Gnar just fucks me over. I can't do
Vex
shit.
too. You know what Vex does, right? The Vex
Yeah,
has
it's the
strength
stupid,
Vex.
it's that annoying dumb fuck shield. I hate it.
It's the dumb fuck shield plus Bramble Vest, so you'll never kill him with Trigger in your life.
Yeah.
You'll never.
And
you
the
know what
only
you need magic. You need armor piercing, bro.
yeah, but I don't have the items for it, and it's just my Trinity doesn't have enough attack speed. He doesn't
Bro,
basically he doesn't do enough
you don't have
damage.
enough, bro. You have 9 Chemtechs. How's that not enough attack speed? You have 150%.
I don't know. I just don't heal enough. See, look what happens. And then see, like this guy gets knocked up. He doesn't. Okay.
Might be a bad matchup.
Oh wait. No. Okay, Nar's dead. Hold on, the Nar died.
Doesn't matter.
Hold on, no. Look what happened. See, the Nar died.
Bro.
So now.
It's not. I don't. Oh, you know what? You know why? You know why you did better this time? Because you got good RNG. You know why you got good RNG? You know why you got good RNG? Because the Veigar didn't kill your Victor.
Oh yeah.
So Veigar's ult is RNG, right? On who it hits, it's like random who it hits. It didn't hit Veigar. Your Veigar survived, and that's why you were able to kill him. You know why? Because Victor has look at Victor's passive. Victor reduces armor by 70% on enemy champions he's attacking. So that means you have to keep Veigar alive.
Yeah.
So like, if you keep Veigar alive, you win. But if your Veigar, if you keep Victor alive, you win. If your Victor just dies, you actually just lose.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. That's why I need level 2 of this guy. But he won't fucking show up in my inventory. He's not on my he's not on my fucking bench. This is so stupid. Here. I need to figure out how this works.
Okay, this is the last round, bro. Good luck. Hey, you better hope you're.
Oh no, I'm fucked. No, dude, I'm fucked.
Oh, GG. That's fucking true.
Look at this. He drops 99 times, so it's like my team's. Look at that. My team's like guaranteed wipe.
Your whole team's wiped, bro. Okay, he got Exodia.
He got the
No, he got Exodia.
See.
Nah, he got Exodia, bro. GG's. He got Exodia. Fucking Exodia your ass, bro. He got every single armed Exodia piece, bro.